Udemy can put your workshop in front of millions of students, but according to Rizuku's 2026 comparison, if you make $1,000 a month there, you only keep about $500. The trick is to treat Udemy like a discovery engine, not your whole business, and I'll show you a simple way to do that so you're not stuck giving Udemy half your income. First, let's get real about what instructors actually earn because the gap between average and top Udemy creators is huge. BloggingX estimates the average Udemy instructor earns about $3,306 a year, while Fueler puts the median around $4,200, and that's side hustle money, not quit your job money. At the same time, Fueler reports top instructors in technical categories pulling $200, 000 or more per year, which tells you most of the cash piles up in a tiny group at the top. So why does Udemy feel like such a grind for normal creators? It comes down to how the revenue share actually works in 2026. Supertutor breaks it down. You get 37% on organic marketplace sales, 97% when a student buys through your own coupon or link, and only 15% on Udemy Business subscription revenue. According to EasyCourse, Udemy also caps course prices at $199.99, runs constant sales that drop many courses to $9.99, keeps 63% of those organic sales, and never gives you student email addresses. On top of that, Supertutor shows Udemy has been cutting your share of subscription revenue every year, from 25% in 2023 down to just 15% in 2026, while they keep 85%. Rizuku's 2026 numbers make this concrete. At $1,000 in Udemy revenue, you keep about $500. At $5,000, you keep roughly $2, $500, and even at $20,000 in your AMU, see around $10, 000 in your account. So here's the move. Use Udemy to find and prove an audience, then shift serious buyers to a course site you own where you keep nearly all the revenue and control the relationship. Oasis LMS points out that marketplaces like Udemy and Skillshare are free to join, but usually take 30 to 50%, while creator tools like Kajabi or Teachable charge roughly $39 to $200 a month and let you keep almost everything. Here's a simple setup. Publish a tight, lower-priced mini workshop on Udemy, then invite your best students to a deeper live cohort or flagship course on your own site using in-course messages and bonus lessons. To get started, you don't need a studio. Sam Cart's 2026 guide shows you can film a solid mini workshop with your phone or laptop camera, a $50 to $100 USB mic and free screen recording software. Use Udemy to test topics and get reviews, but set your real targets around your own site, where even a modest $1,000 a month in sales can actually be $900 in your pocket instead of $500. If you want more straight-up breakdowns like this, with real numbers and one clear way to turn online teaching into an actual side income, hit subscribe and you'll get a new lesson every week.